Winter is here, which means it's time to ambush your friends in an epic snowball fight. This brings up an important question, though. How can you make the perfect sphere of frozen precipitation? The key, it turns out, is to find snow with the right amount of free water, that is, liquid water within the pile of snow. The International Classification for Seasonal Snow on the Ground rates snow into 5 categories of moisture content: dry, moist, wet, very wet, and soaked. There's a test you can try at home to determine what category of snow fell in your yard, and it has a very scientific name: the squeeze test. As you make a snowball, pack it tightly and see how much water is released. If a lot of water comes out, your snowball is likely very wet or soaked. Don't throw this at someone, because it will probably hurt them. If you can't form a snowball at all, you've got dry snow. The ideal water content of a snowball is 3 to 5%. As each grain of snow melts and refreezes, it interacts with free water molecules and forms a sort of glue within the snowball, called a meniscus. The ideal snowball has a meniscus that runs through the whole thing. That's why the snow seems to stick together. You might be thinking that since your hands are warm, they'll melt the snow and form a meniscus. Going bare hand might melt some of the snow on the outside layer, but the meniscus won't form all the way through. Instead, the inside of your snowball will remain as it was, and your hands will get cold and numb fairly quickly. Extreme pressure could also help to create that meniscus in your quest for the perfect snowball, but it's not something you can do at home. To get the necessary pressure, you'd have to be in a laboratory or outer space. Now you're ready to make the ultimate snowball. Who you throw it at is up to you.